OECS constitutes 11 of the smallest island states in the Caribbean, and as SIDS, land is very important. We have very limited land resources, but very critical to all sectors of our lives and our economy and our social well-being. Land is critical to food security, to water security, and to our way of life. And so the health of the land, the productivity, and the risks and threats that they face, including the whole issue of climate change and biodiversity loss, is very critical to small island states. And so as an organization, we are happy to be able to attend for the very first time the UNCCD and to learn, to understand more deeply how the procedures and the issues and the dialogue, and to contribute as we can, and more importantly to support our member states, so that in our programming, in our advocacy, in our governance mechanisms, having that deeper understanding, we can better position to support member states, whether it be in advocacy, in resource mobilization, in programming of projects, and in general coordination, collaboration, because many of the actions that are needed need to operate at a particular scale, need collaboration for economies of scale, etc. And so we think it helps us to better serve the needs and the priorities of our member states. We have for several years prioritized projects and programs that deal with sustainable land management, and that goes back a few years. And now one of our flagship projects, which is financed by the European Union, is the ILM, Integrated Landscape Management Approaches project, which promotes integrated landscape management as well as the traditional sustainable land management, and the various activities and outputs contribute directly to some of the targets and the goals of the UNCCD and the priorities of our member states.